Want to make your system.io page more attractive and professional? In this video, I'll show you how to add images in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log into your system.io account and go to Funnels. Open the funnel that contains the page you want to edit. Step 2. Click Edit Page to launch the drag and drop editor. On the left side, locate the image element. Step 3. Drag the image element onto your page and place it where you want the image to appear. You can position it above a headline, below some text, or next to other content. Step 4. Click on the image placeholder and select Upload. Choose an image from your computer, wait for it to upload, and it will appear on your page automatically. Step 5. Adjust the image size, alignment, or spacing if needed. When you're happy with the layout, click Save Changes and use the Preview option to make sure the page looks good on both desktop and mobile. And that's it! You've successfully added an image to your system.io page. If you want to build beautiful landing pages and sales funnels, check out my system.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab for more simple, step-by-step system.io tutorials.